Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the latest iteration of On's max cushioned running shoes, the Cloudmonster 2. Designed to offer enhanced comfort and protection over longer distances, these shoes have generated quite a buzz. Let's see how they hold up after putting them through their paces. Starting with the design, the Cloudmonster 2 maintains On's signature look with some notable updates. They feature a heavily cushioned midsole with On's CloudTech pods, now larger and softer, aimed at providing a stable and protective ride. The upper, made primarily from recycled polyester, offers a roomier fit compared to its predecessor, enhancing comfort especially for longer runs. In terms of performance, I took these shoes on a variety of terrains from paved roads to slightly rougher paths. The Cloudmonster 2 excelled on flat surfaces, offering a stable and controlled ride. However, the increased weight over the original model was noticeable, making it less ideal for faster runs. The cushioning felt protective but still on the firmer side, which might not appeal to everyone. So, should you consider buying the On Cloudmonster 2? It depends on your preferences. If you prioritize comfort and protection for longer distances and don't mind the added weight, these shoes could be a good fit. However, if you're looking for a lighter, more versatile option for varied running speeds, you might want to explore other models in On's lineup or similar alternatives like the Cloud Eclipse. In conclusion, the On Cloudmonster 2 offers enhanced cushioning and comfort, albeit with some trade-offs. It's a shoe that excels in providing stability and protection but falls short in terms of weight and versatility compared to its predecessor. As always, choosing the right running shoe depends on your specific needs and preferences. That wraps up our review of the On Cloudmonster 2. If you've tried these shoes yourself, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.